Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Dynasty Warriors Origin game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the difficulty settings for your game. So let's get started right away. Now, when you first start your game on Dynasty Warriors Origin, you will be able to choose your desired difficulty. And once you have begun playing, you will need to play within this difficulty setting for most of your battles. Now, if you are trying to lower or increase your difficulty, then you will need to first get out of your battle. If you are already within your battle, then you can press the Start button to go into System, and here you will see the difficulty settings. From the Battle Preparation menu, you can choose from various different difficulty levels. If you choose Historian, it is the easiest difficulty, and Wayfarer is the medium. Finally, Hero is the highest difficulty setting. Once you have chosen your desired difficulty level, just go back, and now you can begin your battle with your chosen difficulty. Now, if you start your match, the difficulty level has been set based on your choice just now. Now, while you are playing, if you wish to change your difficulty level once again, then you will need to exit your battle, which means from the settings option, you will need to withdraw and then go back into the battle preparation page, where you will then be allowed to change your difficulty. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your difficulty settings on the Dynasty Warriors Origin game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.